Assalamu alaikum prep class. It's the time for English. Write the A words. Okay, yesterday we had done 4 words. Today we will do the other 4. Okay, J at jet, V at wet. Okay, L egg leg, P egg peg. Okay, it has 2 pairs. Okay, first of all, pen, hand, man, ten are same. Just we will change the starting sound. After that, jet, wet, we will change the starting sound, and leg, peg, just the starting sound. Okay, in the exams you have to write at least 5 A words. Okay, so write it and learn it by heart. Move to the next page. Write the missing letters. Okay, first of all, see in the picture, what is this? This is hen, h, n. They have given us n. We will write h, n, because it's hen. Jet, j at jet. Peg, p egg peg. Okay, we will write p. Ten, t. Wet, w t a, because we have done here. Okay, peg, leg, wet, jet, you all are familiar. Leg, l egg. Bed, b ed bed. N, t, this is net, so we will write here a. P a dash, this is pen. N, m a dash, this is men. N, p a dash, this is pet, it means toe. Okay, first of all, read what is in the picture. Red, d, r a, they have given us r a, what is missing? D is missing. Red. Okay, do the homework and learn these 2 pages.